If you're looking for a security system that comes with an LCD remote, the 3308V is a great option. Stay tuned to learn more about it. Let's take a look at what comes in the box of our 3308V. First, we have our control module with an onboard impact sensor. The system will come with a 7347V LCD two-way remote. It will also come with a 7147VS one-way 4-button remote. Both of these have up to a quarter mile of range. You'll also have a 6-tone siren, an antenna with an integrated valet button and LED, wiring harnesses, a quick reference install guide for your installer, and a quick reference owner's card that has a QR code to access the full owner's guide. Now let's go over the features of the 3308V. We have a starter interrupt for vehicle theft prevention, monitoring if any doors or trunk get open, remote keyless entry with two-way feedback, a panic or car locator function, flashing parking lights when sending commands, an ignition controlled door lock feature, 2 auxiliary outputs. For smartphone control, you can add on our VIPER SmartStart Pro and a limited lifetime warranty when professionally installed. For more information on any of our VIPER two-way products, check out viper.com or see an authorized dealer near you.